Hi, how are you? Today we're cooking ribs and little bay scallops. It said scallops, but I call this bay scallops because they're smaller, but they are beautiful, should be delicious. So let's get to it. Ribs. So this is what we do with ribs. We grab mayonnaise, we grab it up, put it on it. This is very important, mayonnaise. This is like my oil, I cook stuff in mayonnaise. I don't use greasy oils. We do healthy stuff. Even though mayonnaise, I'm not sure how healthy it is, but it looks healthier to me than greasy oil. Tastes better, much better. I put a lot because I'm gonna be cooking this for hours on the grill. We're gonna be grilling this. So this is what we do. So we grab this up like this. So next we put spices. We have bay seasoning. And I do this quick for YouTube, just to show you. And then we have these scallops, same thing. Put them on the scallops, this stuff. Don't need mayonnaise on the scallops. Okay, like that. Next thing, we have kikkoman soy sauce. Same thing we put on. You rub it in, make sure you rub it in good. Make sure you rub it in. Let it sink in. See, like this. A little bit more on this side. See, like that. Don't overdo. This soy sauce is it could like pretty much cook a food, like a seafood, like tuna. It can cook it, so you don't want to overdo. Next, we have one of our favorites, complete seasoning. You don't want to do too much of this. Not too much. Just a little bit. A little bit. But not too little. You want to have a good amount. See, like this. Oh, see this big. Oh, like that. And then you rub it in. Same theory. Always rub it in. Always let them have it. A good amount. See, I put a little more here. So I'm going to rub this in throughout. But always enough. Not too much, but enough. Very nice. So now I'm going to grab this. And I'm going to open the small hole and put on our scallops. Delicious scallops. Little bay scallops. Very nice. And then, oh my goodness, coming up, the secret of the year. So, before I show you the secret, we're going to put a little pepper on this. A little pepper. This is Kroger pepper. It's actually not so hot, this pepper, so don't think I put a lot because I know what kind of pepper I'm putting on. Like Publix pepper, Publix pepper is very spicy. I wouldn't put this much. But I know this specific pepper, is not very spicy. See? It's not very spicy. It is pepper. It is spicy, but not so strong. So next, we got the secret ingredient. This is American style. So good, barbecue sauce. See that? That pepper fighting me, said I am strong. What you talking about? That's how it be. So now, so good barbecue sauce. Oh, look at this. You rub it in. This is so good. This is good stuff. Just like I said, so good. See? So good.
Because it's so good.
And you put it in here like that. Oh, wow. See? And we're gonna grill this. Have you ever seen grilled ribs?
No.
No, very nice. You have not. And we didn't expect you to. It's all good. So we're gonna put a little more. We like this. This is something new. Somebody, let me know about this. So this is new style. So now we're ready for the grill. Let's show the George Foreman grill. We're gonna put our scallops and ribs in here. This George Foreman grill. Open up. Oh, so nice. So now we like to start with a little bit extra virgin olive oil. Very nice. We're gonna put right here. Not close to the holes. You see the holes? Kind of like we don't want this to go away. We want this oil over here. That's why I'm gonna quickly put this rib right here. I'm gonna put these ribs right here because they're heavy and they're gonna overweigh. They're gonna overweigh and make all the oil stay here. All the oil stay here. Very nice. That's what I want. I don't want my oil going away to waste. And next, just put a little bit hot, and you always want to put on a hot plate. Whatever you put on, always want hot plate. So now, see scallops. See, we put scallops. It's okay. I know this is seafood with ribs. See ribs and here's seafood. It's okay. You can't mess up. You can't mess up oatmeal with butter. Please believe me. Oh. It'll still work out. We're gonna spread them out a little bit. Like that. Very nice. Very nice. And we have our dinner for tonight. Wow. Of course, these scallops, you know, if you didn't have them in the freezer, if you had them in the freezer, you want to cook them for a little while. But if you didn't have them, you unfroze them, thaw them correctly. You have to cook them much less than these ribs. These ribs are going to be in here for a little while. And we can't wait. We can wait when that little while is over and we can eat them up. Right?
Right.
Yeah. Very delicious looking. Very delicious looking. We can even add some of this so good barbecue sauce. See? Oh. See, like this, rub it in, rub it in. Very nice, very nice. And if you notice, you see I put the ribs kind of like up. This is upside and the other side is like more like a bridge sort of, because it's not gonna burn them and they're gonna be in here for a while. So that's very important. You want to put upside up so that you don't burn your ribs, because they'll be in here for a long time and you're gonna do low temperature. You see I have on one and it is red. This on George Foreman grill, this red button means it's hot. So that's what you want, low temperature. And it should be very good. Should be very good. Thank you for watching. God bless you. And please check out our other videos, fishing and everything else. We have everything in one channel. Not many channels, one channel. We appreciate you watching. Thank you and God bless you. We're going to close it up. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. God bless.